Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about the groups and how to implement groups in our custom module for Odoo 19. Today, I will teach you a very small and basic topic. It is very basic, but I think maybe it will be helpful for all the beginners who are watching the playlist. So, today we are going to study about how to add a validation error or any type of error message shown to the user or specifically Odoo users. What I mean to say is, let me just duplicate this tab. I'll show you an example. I'm going to sales module and I'll just select every record and try to delete it. So you can see here there is a pop-up is shown, which is basically an error message shown to the user that you cannot delete the quotation or sale order. So how can we add this type of validation error for our custom module or any of our requirements? We can simply do it with the help of validation error importing from the Odoo. Let's see, we want to add a validation error that the publish date should not be more than the current day. Currently, you can just, if I'll create a new record and I'll select today's or future date, it will able to save it, but I don't want that. So in order to do that, what we'll need to do is go to our code here, library.book model. You need to first import from odoo.exceptions import validation error. You need to first import this validation error. You can import other type of error as per your requirement. Currently I'm just adding validation error. Now let's create a function for the validation error. Let's say function for validation error function with the self initialize. Now first we need to get today's date. So what we will do, create a variable and simply fields dot date dot today. It will give us the today's date. Then what I will do, I'll simply add a condition. If there is self dot publish date, which means if there is a publish date field is filled, and if and self dot publish date is greater than or equals to today, which is our variable which will be showing today's date, then we need to add a validation error. You cannot set date more than today. What is the condition? If there is any published date set, and if that published date is greater than or equals to today's date, then it will show this error. And when this function should be running, I will add the decorator @API onchange. Why onchange? Because on changing the published date, we will validating the field, right? So we are using onchange. Control V. Here I need to add API as well. So from odoo.import fields, models as well as API. Now what I'll do, I'll simply just restart the server. Here simply refresh the page and I'll just go to the new record and try to add tomorrow's date. See, you cannot set date more than today. It is showing the validation error. So whenever you will try to save it, it won't save. See, it will defaultly not able to save. If we try to save, it won't get saved. Why? Because we have added the condition. So it is a very small and basic topic. I thought you may need this for your requirement. Let me summarize today's topic. We needed to add a validation error. For that, we simply added through odoo.exception import validation error. Here you can use other error as well, like user error and many more. You can see in the documentation. Then what I'll do, I'll simply just edit the function and added the condition with here raise validation error. That's pretty much it. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.